made, attracting top talent and earning its title as the Silicon Valley of India. With cosmopolitan culture, premier institutions, and a high standard of living, it offers businesses, growth, and employees an unmatched work-life balance, making Karnataka an ideal investment destination. Karnataka's thriving tourism and service industry, with its rich cultural heritage, scenic landscapes, and world-class infrastructure, make it a top destination for global travelers and investors alike. Karnataka is a leader in aviation connectivity with many well-connected airports across the state, including the Kempegowda International Airport in Bangalore, a global hub for passengers and cargo, and several others under the under the construction to further boost regional and international connectivity. We are actively identifying the suitable locations to fast track the establishment of Bengalore's second international airport, further boosting the city's global connectivity and economic potential. Karnataka's 320-kilometer long coastline, dotted with vibrant ports, plays a crucial role in boosting maritime trade, fisheries, and coastal tourism. Karnataka, with over 15,000 startups and 40 plus unicorns, is India's largest startup hub and among the top five globally. Initiatives like Elevate 100 and Beyond Bengaluru are driving innovation in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities, reinforcing its leadership in digital transformation. Karnataka is positioning itself as the go-to destination for semiconductor manufacturing with major investments and Intel, TSMC, and Micron. Karnataka accounts for 60% of India's electronic product exports, making it a global supplier of next-gen chips and devices. Karnataka contributes over 40% of India's software exports, with the presence of major tech giants like Infosys, Wipro, TCS, Google, Amazon, and Apple. Karnataka is investing event-driven governance, blockchain adoption, and good computing ecosystems to future-proof the digital economy. Karnataka is the EV capital of India, with Tesla, Ola Electronic, Arthur Energy, and Mahindra Electric investing heavily in the state. Karnataka is India's largest aerospace hub, with more than 65% of the aerospace and defense manufacturing happening here. The state is a leader in silk production and garment exports, creating lakhs of jobs, especially for women. The state leads in biotech research, vaccines, and life sciences, make it a prime destination for medical R&D. Karnataka stands as a cornerstone of India's ore economy, with its rich reserves of iron ore, gold, and other minerals driving industrial and economic growth. Finally, skilling youth in emerging sectors through academia industry collaboration. Catering to global healthcare needs, medical tourism, and super specialty treatments. From Bidar to Bangalore, Bangalore to Ballari, development will reach every corner of our state. We are creating specialized industrial clusters tailored to local strength, ensuring that every region thrives. Karnataka ensures a strengthened and robust law and order system to safeguard the interest of everyone, including investors, fostering a secure and business-friendly environment. The Future of Innovation Expo at Global Investors Meet Invest Karnataka 2025 will showcase cutting-edge advancements from 40 plus global industry leaders and startups spanning drone technology, space technology, agri-tech, health technology, and autonomous solutions for manufacturing, aerospace, and defense. The new Industrial Policy 2025-30 outlines Karnataka's ambitious vision to drive innovation, sustainability, and inclusive growth, aiming for 12% annual growth rate in manufacturing sector, while targeting 7.5 lakh rupees crore investments and creating 20 lakh jobs by 2030. Karnataka is the ideal destination for future-ready investments with its strong policies, world-class infrastructure, skilled workforce, and focus on sustainability. We are building ecosystems that drive growth, create jobs, and enable global ambitions. Our digital systems, streamlined processes, and robust support mechanisms ensure ease of doing business. From IT to manufacturing, deep tech to renewable energy, and aerospace to healthcare, Karnataka is committed to fostering success and leading the way forward. To all the global investors gathered here, I say this: the time to invest in Karnataka is now. Partner with us, innovate with us, and grow with us. Let us script a new chapter of success and prosperity. I look forward to welcoming you to Karnataka's growth story, where opportunities are limitless and the future is brighter than ever. Thank you, and I wish this global investors meet a great success. Thank you all. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, the Honorable Chief Minister of Karnataka, Shri Siddaramaiah, has reassured the entire investment fraternity that Karnataka is indeed the place, and the Karnataka government, the government of Karnataka, is always there with the investors and the industry. Let's all give a round of applause and thank the Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Siddaramaiah, for his highly inspiring and thought-provoking address. Dhanyavadagalu, sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's now our pleasure to welcome someone who is much awarded, very much loved, entrepreneur of and from
Plus engineering and medical colleges producing top talent annually. With 400 plus R&D centers in biotech, all robotics and space, it stands as India's intellectual hub, actively upskilling youth in emerging sectors through academia-industry collaboration. Karnataka prioritizes responsible, sustainable growth, leading in green economy, eco-friendly industrial clusters, and sustainable urban development. It is India, top solar energy producer and leader in wind energy, electric mobility, and sustainable. It is my privilege to welcome you all to Karnataka, the land of innovation, enterprise, and boundless opportunities. I extend my heartfelt gratitude To all the esteemed dignitaries present here today, a special welcome to the global investors, industry leaders, policy makers, diplomats, and innovators who have gathered here to explore the vast opportunities that Karnataka offers. I also acknowledge the efforts of our government officials, industry associations, and all stakeholders who have worked tirelessly to make this global investors meet a grand success. Together, let us embark on a journey of collaboration, innovation, and shared propriety. Karnataka has always been at the forefront of India's economic transformation, and today we reaffirm the commitment of being the most investor-friendly state in the country. With a stable policy environment, proactive governance, and a business-friendly ecosystem, we ensure that every investment made here thrives and contributes to inclusive and sustainable growth. Karnataka was a major center for weaving, metallurgy, temple-based craftsmanship, and trade during dynasties like the Kadambas, Gangas, Chalukyas, Hoysalas, Vijayanagara Empire, and Mysore warriors. The famous Bidri ware, Mysore silk weaving, and sandalwood carving flourished under royal patronage, laying the foundation for Karnataka's rich industrial heritage. The Mysore Iron and Steel Works, established in 1923, was one of India's first major steel industries set up under the visionary leadership of Sri Nalvadi Krishnaja Wadiya. The Mysore silk industry, initiated under the Wadiya kings, gained prominence and became global symbol of luxury, a legacy that continues today. The Mysore silk industry, initiated under the Wadiya kings, and prominence and became global symbol of luxury, a legacy that continues today. The coffee and plantation economy flourished in the Coorg and Chikmagaluru, making Karnataka the coffee capital of India, a distinction it holds to this day. Karnataka has been the backbone of India's industrial growth, home to legendary public sector enterprises such as HAL, BEL, BML, etc. Karnataka is home to world-class institutions